Today, we're going to show you how to make a bug hotel. Bug hotels, like these, will encourage good garden bugs to winter in the garden by giving them a place to hibernate and nest over the colder months so they'll be ready to help in the spring. Beneficial insects are essential in any garden. Whether they are pollinating our crops or eating pests, these insects will make our job a lot easier. Bug hotels can be made from recycled materials that you might find around your home. Use a selection of pruning, sticks, pine cones, straw, and some bamboo cane to provide a variety of habitats that will attract a wide range of insects. You'll also need a drill, a hammer and nails, a screwdriver, and pruners to complete the project. For our bug hotel, we used cuts of wood about 4 inches long to form our hotel walls and backing board to mount individual rooms. The goal is to create a dry, sheltered space where the bedding materials can be placed. We used these cut-offs to fashion some smaller spaces, which we filled with prunings gathered from around the yard. Here you can see our finished bug hotel installed on a westerly-facing brick wall. The idea is to give the bugs additional shelter and warmth from the summer sun as it heats up the bricks. For more information on how to make your landscape smarter, visit the MSU Extension Smart Landscapes website at extension.msstate.edu/smartlandscapes.